This is a suggested set of procedures for fume hoods that are constant volume. They're required to be done on an annual and 5-year period, as dictated by the Department of Public Works. In Canada, MD 15128 guidelines in government departments, and in the US, ASHRAE. Non-government laboratories in Canada and all laboratories in the USA and elsewhere in the world are required to be done on an annual and 5-year period as dictated by ASHRAE 110 guidelines. Constant volume fume hood tests required are as explained below. On an annual basis, sash velocity test, cross-draft stratification test, minimum flow test, smoke visualization tests, smoke containment tests. 5-year interval, tracer gas test, static sash position, tracer gas test, sash movement, fume hood alarms. Sash velocity test. Measure the sash opening air velocity at multi-points in the sash face opening. The average desired for general fume hoods is 100 feet per minute, plus or minus 10%. The average desired for perchloric fume hoods is 120 feet per minute, plus or minus 10%. Cross-draft stratification test. Measure the cross-draft velocity from all directions across the sash face opening for the fume hood. It should not exceed 50% of sash velocity test. Minimum flow test. Test to ensure fume hood minimum flow requirements are met. Smoke visualization test. Using a handheld smoke emitter, test for blowback of smoke from the fume hood. Using a bulk smoke emitter, test for smoke exhaust and smoke total clearance from the fume hood. Tracer gas test. A mannequin with a sensor positioned at its nose is used. The test gas emitter is moved left, right, and center, as is the mannequin. Gas used for fume hood tracer gas tests is sulfur hexafluoride, HF6. Sash movement containment test. The sash is closed for 30 seconds and open for 60 seconds through 3 cycles, and gas tracer tests are done. Thank you for listening. Bye now.